Dear students, here you have the second video on factorization. In this video, we do factorization of polynomials which are in the form of a square minus b square. That is, difference of two squares. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we can say that a plus b and a minus b are the factors of a square minus b square. Let us consider some examples. 4x square minus 25y square is the difference of two squares. That is, 4x square is the square of 2x and 25y square is the square of 5y. Here, in place of a, we have 2x and in place of b, we have 5y. Therefore, 4x square minus 25y square can be factorized as 2x plus 5y into 2x minus 5y. Similarly, the factors of 9x square minus 1 are 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. Now, let us solve some questions. First question, factorize 32x square minus 18y square. Here we have a common factor 2 in these two terms. By taking 2 as a common factor, we get 2 into 16x square minus 9y square. Here 16x square is the square of 4x and 9y square is the square of 3y. Therefore, it is a difference of two squares. So, inside the bracket, we can factorize it as 4x plus 3y and 4x minus 3y. Therefore, the complete factorization of the given polynomial is 2 into 4x plus 3y into 4x minus 3y. Another question. Factorize 9x square minus 4 into y plus 2x whole square. Here 9x square is the square of 3x and 4 into y plus 2x whole square is the square of 2 into y plus 2x, and hence it is also in the form of a square minus b square. Here in place of a we have 3x and in place of b we have 2 into y plus 2x. Hence it can be factorized as 3x plus 2 into y plus 2x into 3x minus 2 into y plus 2x. By simplifying, we get 3x plus 2y plus 4x into 3x minus 2y minus 4x. Again, by simplifying, we have 7x plus 2y into minus x minus 2y. Now, minus is common in both the terms of the second factor. By taking out this minus, we get minus of 7x plus 2y into x plus 2y. Next question. Factorize pi a to the power 5 minus pi cube a b square. Here we have pi a as a common factor in the two terms. By taking out pi a, we get pi a into a to the power 4 minus pi square b square, and that is the difference of two squares. Here we have a as a square and b as pi b. By taking the factors of terms inside the bracket, we get pi a into a square plus pi b into a square minus pi b, and that is a complete factorization of pi a to the power 5 minus pi cube a b square. Let us solve another question. Factorize a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. Here it is not directly in the form of a square minus b square. By simplifying, we have to bring it into the form of a square minus b square. So by removing the brackets we get a square minus a minus b square plus b. By rearranging the terms we get a square minus b square minus a plus b. Here we have to take it as two groups. The first group is a plus b into a minus b and the second group is minus 1 into a minus b. Now we have a minus b as a common factor in both the groups, and hence by taking out the common factor a minus b we get a minus b into a plus b minus 1, and that is a complete factorization of a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. Next question. Factorize a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. By taking minus as common for the last three terms, we get a to the power 4 minus of b to the power 4 minus 2b square plus 1. Now, inside the bracket, it is another identity. It is in the form of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, it can be written as b square minus 1 whole square. So, we have a square whole square minus b square minus 1 whole square. Here in place of a we have a square and in place of b we have b square minus 1. Now by factorizing we get a square plus b square minus 1 into a square minus b square minus 1. Remove the bracket, we get a square plus b square minus 1 into a square minus b square plus 1. Next question. Factorize x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 9. Here we add x square and subtract x square. We know that adding and subtracting the same term does not make any change in the value of the expression, and hence it can be applied. Therefore, it is equal to x to the power 4 plus 6x square plus 9 minus x square. Now, the first three terms form the identity a plus b whole square, that is x to the power 4 plus 6x square plus 9 can be written as x square plus 3 whole square, and hence the expression is x square plus 3 whole square minus x square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. We have a as x square plus 3 and b as x, and it can be factorized as x square plus 3 plus x into x square plus 3 minus x. We can rewrite it as x square plus x plus 3 into x square minus x plus 3. Our next question. Factorize a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 7a square b square. Here also we add and subtract the same term, that is 2a square b square. Adding and subtracting 2a square b square, we get a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square b square minus 7a square b square minus 2a square b square. By simplifying, we get a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square b square minus 9a square b square. Now the first three terms form a square plus b square whole square, and the last term is 3ab whole square, and it is in the form of a square minus b square, and it can be factorized as a square plus b square plus 3ab into a square plus b square minus 3ab. So the factorization of a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 7a square b square is a square plus b square plus 3ab into a square plus b square minus 3ab.